Yes, indeed, it's time for another scratch practice session right here on DJ TLM TV. I'm your host, DJ TLM. These are the Saturday sessions. Let's get to it. Welcome to a new Saturday Sessions video, my interactive scratch sessions. The concept is simple. I'm going to play a beat. I'll be performing scratch patterns over that beat, and I'll leave room for you to emulate what I do. So copy my pattern or practice your own patterns if you prefer to do that. It's all about having fun, and this is a lot of fun. Now, if you want to use the same sound that I'm using for the scratches, you can check the links in the description box down below. On my SoundCloud, I have a ton of beats and scratch sounds, including this sound and this beat. We're gonna start with level 1. That's gonna be 4 bars of scratching. Then it's your turn, then it's my turn again. Now at a certain point, we're gonna take it to level 2. And on level 2, it's not 4 bars of scratching, but only 2. Enough talking, let's start now. All right, that's it for this edition of the Saturday Sessions. As usual, play the video as many times as you want to, just to practice that pattern to make it work, or practice your own patterns. You can come up with new stuff. Maybe this can spark your creativity. However you want to use it to your advantage to become better or just to have fun. So again, if you want to practice on your own, you can download the beat and download the sample. The links are in the description box down below. You'll also find the link to my membership site, djtlmtv.com. Make sure you check that one out as well. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, share the knowledge. It helps out the channel a lot. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see and hear, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'll be back next week with a new session. Until then, peace.